here, look at that. All the battery gear for the whole van lives under the lounge here, which is, guess where? Directly over the axles. So how good's that? Anyway, I'll get up here and show you this end. That's all right. What we've got in this van is a 400 amp hour off-grid system that I'm quite happy to have our name to. So we've teamed up with Enerdrive and created a couple of options, and they're called Trip in a Van systems. So I'll be able to drop a few links into you in the vid for you to check them out. But it's tried and tested by us, and we'll pretty much it's designed by the Enerdrive guys, but off the questions we asked them and said, can you build this for us and what we need to do? And they've bloody well done it. So in here, look at this, the 400 amp white pack. So this is the battery. So see this white box here? Yeah. It runs the width of this. So if you move your van, there you go. It's that wide and it runs all the way up here. So in there's just a heap of lithium cells that add up to 400 amps, but it's one battery. And there's another option, you can run the BTEX like I've got in the Ute and parallel them, or just have one smaller system, all that sort of stuff. And then this board is done by Enerdrive and already done down to the caravan manufacturers, which means there's no room for stuff ups. So you don't get any annoying niggling issues by someone who hasn't fitted one of these systems before, because all the hard work's done, put on a board, made to size to go wherever you want it to do. So we're loving it. To start up this end, DC to DC charger, right? Of same one we had in the last van, same one we've got in the car. This takes alternator current from your car and pumps in 40 amps power into this. It also takes an extra solar input from the outside, so you can run a portable solar panel if you want. This one here takes all the roof panels on my solar. So I've got 720 watts of solar on the roof. This will take all those. So you might ask, why have I got a separate solar controller for both? Well, the alternator current coming into here takes priority over the solar. So which means it'll only take one input at a time. So I can be driving down the highway and have 40 amps of current coming from the DC to DC charger, and on a good day, I'll have 30 amps of current coming from the roof panels as well, which means I'll have pumping in 70 amps, you know, and I might need that if we've just free camped for a week and we're only moving 60 Ks or 100 Ks up the road. On a good day, I can give the van a bloody good charge on the way up there. So all this other stuff is like isolators, fuses, breakers, battery monitors, battery like relay drivers, all the advanced stuff that I really don't know too much about, but I just know it works. So anyway, and a main breaker, so you can turn everything off for in storage and stuff. The brake safe in here is, so you know what I mean, if you unhitch your van while you're driving along, your brakes will come on. And come in here and show you this. Can you swing down there, babe? The Wi-Fi. So we run the Wi-Fi anti-theft system. This one is the upgraded one, which means it's got a GPS unit in it, and it's been modified and updated since the last version. But it's an alarm, so we can press a little key fob on the outside, and it arms it. If anyone tries to steal it, the alarm goes off, goes bananas, the brakes come on as well, so they can't actually tow it anywhere. Love that. Swing back here, go a bit further back, and then on this side, down in here, is the big dog inverter charger. So that's a combi unit, which means it's a 120 amp AC charger and a 3000 watt inverter. So that runs our aircon, our hot water system if we want to, our electric hot plate, our microwave, the washing machine. It runs the whole bloody lot, and it can do it all at once as well. It's a kick-ass unit. Down in here, this one, babe, is an airbag man compressor. So that runs the ATX airbag suspension under there, and then you'll see, I don't know if you can see this, can you get in there, up there? Oh, this one here, yep, right. That is the Hydrostar, that's a brake controller, because we run disc brakes, so it's an electric over hydraulic booster to pull up the big 33s on disc brakes under there that it runs. Cool, righto.
That's it.
That is it, man.
All I know is it's one kick-ass system.
It is. It makes free camping and off-grid living so much easier.
It allows me to do my washing when we're free camping.
Oh, it makes everyone bloody happy.
Essential.
Just makes life easy and enjoyable when you're in a van, especially when you live in it full time like us. So there you go. That is our van, our battery system, and I'll take you around the outside as well and show you all that stuff. But
cool.
It's a kick-ass bit of gear.